It's amazing. I love it so much. So I'm just gonna try out some of my cards in it. Alright, so first there's a spot at the back that, hold on, let me hide them. So there's a spot at the back that you can use for quick access. Yeah, just like that, my card is there. I can always just tap it on the NFC machines and go. There's another quick access spot at the front. So I'm gonna add one more card there. That's my second quick access card. Yeah, for on the go. There's a space here for your ID. It comes with a lifetime warranty as well. Thank you, Furid. I love this brand. I have my ID. Not gonna zoom too much, but yeah. And I have two more cards, and I'm just gonna add them to the centerpiece. To access them, I just slide this down, and it pushes up the card, and I can just pull it out. That's amazing. Fits in my back pocket. On the go. Wait a focus for me. Yeah. Perfect. Make sure you get one today.